In today's video, I am going to teach you how to convert Figma designs into Framer websites. First, open your design in Figma. Before moving anything over, take a moment to prepare the file so it translates cleanly into Framer. Make sure your frames and components are using auto layout wherever possible. In Framer, these will become stacks, which handle spacing and alignment responsively. If you've ever had a layout fall apart after export, this is the single most important safeguard. Next, clean up your layer structure. Give layers clear, descriptive names and group elements logically so that when Framer reads the hierarchy, it mirrors the intent of your design. A tidy structure in Figma equals a tidy structure in Framer. Check your fonts. Replace any local or custom fonts with Google Fonts or other fonts that Framer supports. This avoids unexpected fallback fonts and preserves your intended look. While you are there, confirm constraints are set correctly on key elements. Constraints determine how items scale and pin within their frames, which directly affects how your design adapts once it's in Framer. A quick resize test on your Figma frames can reveal anything that isn't behaving as expected. With that prep done, open the Plugins menu in Figma. Press Ctrl-K to bring up the command palette. Go to Plugins, then search for Figma to HTML with Framer. Run and open the plugin. You'll use this to bridge your selected Figma content into Framer without manually redrawing it. Select the frame or section you want to copy. It's usually best to work a section at a time, like a hero, a features block, or a footer, so you can keep things organized on the Framer canvas. With your selection active, run the plugin and choose Copy to Clipboard. The plugin packages the structure, styles, and layout rules, so Framer understands them on paste. Now switch to Framer and open your project. With the canvas ready, paste your selection using CMD+V on Mac or Ctrl-V on PC. You'll see your design appear, with auto layout converted to stacks and your hierarchy preserved. Give the pasted content a quick scan to confirm fonts and spacing look right. If you prepared your file as we discussed, most of the heavy lifting is already done and your sections should be responsive out of the box. Repeat this process for additional sections as needed, and you'll have a cohesive Framer site built directly from your Figma design. Thanks for watching.